Something like that, Louise. Fortunately, that's a very rare event in the UK. But it has, of course, been pretty chilly. We saw widespread frost here last night, down to -5 in places. But by compensation, lovely, crisp winter sunshine for most of us through this afternoon. Not quite everywhere, though. We have got some cloud pushing in from the west. You can see it there on the satellite picture. It's a weather front. It'll be drifting in towards Scotland and Northern Ireland later today and through tonight. And that should tend to keep temperatures that little bit higher. But frost is coming back, particularly across East Wales, through the Midlands, across eastern parts of England. You can see it intensifying as the night goes on, and it will really turn very chilly indeed, I think, across East Anglia. Down to -4 in Norwich, could go even lower in some of the more rural spots. But notice across Scotland and Northern Ireland, temperatures much higher tonight, around about 5, 6, 7 degrees, thanks to that cloud cover that'll be moving in, freshening winds as well, but also some outbreaks of rain coming in. So not a great start to the day for Northern Ireland and Western Scotland. Dull, damp, some of that rain there, fairly heavy just for a short time through the early part of the day. A fairly brisk wind blowing in, but those temperatures on the mild side certainly compared to what we've had over the last couple of days. Eastern Scotland probably just about staying dry, particularly through the early part of the day. And once we start coming further south, that's when we move into the frost. So across the northeast of England, certainly possible, maybe the odd patch of freezing fog through the Vale of York. Across East Anglia, that's a possibility as well, with a very chilly start to the day here. Further west, though, we'll also find cloud moving in across the southwest of England. So not the bright blue skies we had here, but then not the frost either, thanks to that blanket of cloud. And certainly a cloudier start to the day across Wales. That cloud will persist, I think, for much of the day. It'll brighten up in the southwest of England. It'll brighten up quite nicely after the frosty start across the Midlands and much of eastern England. But the further north and west you are, well, the more the cloud will hang on through the day. Although most of the rain will tend to fizzle out through the course of the afternoon. A fairly brisk wind across the western half of the UK. Mild, though, in the northwest, 9 or 10 degrees. A chilly day once again where we've had the overnight frost despite that sunshine. Sunshine, though, less amounts, I think, as we go through the rest of the week. We're going to see increasingly cloudy conditions spreading in across most parts of the UK. You can still grab a bit of brightness on Thursday, a bit of a sandwich really, cloud feeding into the southeast, cloudy skies still across the northwest. That's where it'll stay fairly mild, but a chill in the air elsewhere. And I think by Friday, all of us really feeling the chill. It'll be quite raw as a southeasterly breeze picks up, feeding cloud in across most parts of the UK, but still dry just about everywhere. But definitely need to keep the winter woolies handy.